give an Amazon unboxing haul for you guys today. I've got Michael with me and Anastasia.
And Clara.
And Clara. Mike's really excited because there's a controller in here that he ordered that he's been waiting for forever. But we have a pyramid of boxes here, so we're going to start from the top and go down. So we've got this first one, and Anna wants to open it. Okay, so first thing was a Shimmer doll for Anna. Here, see if you can see.
Shine.
Shine's probably in another box. So hold it up.
Shine Mr. Plane Ride.
Shine Mr. Plane. I hope not, because all I've heard for the last 4 days is, when's my Shimmer and Shine open? Okay, Mikey wants to open this one. Hang on.
Oh.
Disappointment Central.
It's whatever that is.
So I got a cover for my Babyzen YoYo handle from Amazon. That's like a leatherette zipper on, so I'll see if that actually works. We also have a Boogie Board little riding thing. I'm not even sure if this will, I've heard mixed reviews about this. So if you have one of these, let me know if you like it or not. Some people say they break really easily. So
that's not good for the amount of kids.
Oh, it's only $15. It's not like, okay. And I also got a buckle toy. I think it was Jess, Marks of Motherhood. She had one of these in her video, like one of these buckle toys. And I figured Clara would really like these. So we'll see. I got just the square, so it's really cute. So it's just a whole bunch of buckles. Oh, it's so soft. Ooh.
Fluffy.
No, it's soft.
You want to open the next one, Mom?
Okay, in a minute.
No, I'm asking.
Yeah. So they've got some like numbers on the back here, and then all these buckles that buckle together. You know how kids are with fidgety things.
I got a ready paper.
Perfect example.
Right. Got another one. What's in here? So I got a Kate Spade wallet. I've been wanting one of these for ages.
It's a really small thing for a really big box.
Okay, this is the Cameron Street wallet, so I'll open that later in a minute. And then I also got a this is an insert for a backpack. I have seen, I think Susie Sanchez had one of these on her channel, and I thought it was kind of cool, so I got this from the mini bee to see how that would work.
It's like a fuel cell.
Fuel cell, Michael.
No, but it looks like one. Like the way that
you're a fuel cell. Alright, and then this is my wallet real quick. Oh, this is so pretty.
Hers is her wallet and mine is the controller.
Okay, so it's like a dusty pink. Ooh, it's really pretty. It's got the gold hardware. So I'll do a review on this. Oh, such a nice zippers. And then the insides, all this stuff on the inside. Michael, you're being so patient. Give me 2 secs.
I swear, if you're pulling that out slowly, just to...
I'm not! They've got all this cardboard in there. Okay, now it's all out. Okay, so there's the inside. So that's really cool. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, there's more back here. All this.
It's like a game.
Inside of it. It's like graffiti.
Oh, am I the trash can?
I hope your thing's in here. Okay, yeah.
No.
Alright, so let's see what's in here. So we've got, oops.
I swear to God. Oh,
there's some books for Clara, some Shimmer and Shine books.
Of course, because everything's Shimmer and Shine.
Everything's Shimmer. Oh, and there's Shine. This is PJ Shine. So excited. And this is for Clara, and then...
Yay!
And then, hold it up.
Wow, it's a lot heavier than I thought. So this is the Nintendo Switch Pro controller.
There you go.
Splatoon, and it's supposed to be a splatter design. The thing is, since the original one had translucent plastic, some of the designs that I've heard, you can tell if it's like on the top layer of plastic or it's like underneath the controller. So it's really cool. So I'm gonna unbox it here. It's the first time I've ever done something like this. The less interesting stuff, we have the cardboard, and we have, so put the controller down. So we have the USB-C to USB Type A charging cord for it. And then you have the actual controller itself, which is in the plastic.
For how someone would have played.
Has a really, wow, this is comfortable. It's a really nice feel to it. And if you look closely, there's, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's some little ink splatters on it and stuff.
My legs.
And it has neon pink and neon green handles,
Can I open Simmer?
and it feels really nice. Buttons are right more.
Feels nice.
Yes, and wait. OCD.
Oh. OCD.
It's so shiny. I've been waiting for this forever. Hold that, that's so comfortable.
Yes, it's great.
You were holding it wrong, by the way.
I was holding it wrong.
You're not
Is there
supposed
a
to hold the
wrong way to hold
You're not
it?
supposed to hold the controller like this, like with your.
Oh, I'm sorry. Jeez.
Like
How
that?
dare I hold it incorrectly?
Well, maybe for people who have really long fingers.
Alright guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.